Hi guys, today I'm unboxing and reviewing this MPOW Bluetooth USB 5.1 dongle. So let's get right to it. So it comes in this packaging, quite nicely packed to be honest, and I will try to unbox it now. So looks like this. The pro tip: to get it out, you push it from this hole and it just comes out like that. So here it is. Looks nice and small. Right, and that's the unboxing done. Let's connect it to the PC and see how it goes. Hi guys, today I'm reviewing this MPOW Bluetooth USB 5.1 dongle. It comes in this packaging. Comes with a driver CD, a manual, some little thing about the manufacturer, and warranty card that you have to register for it. 2-year warranty comes in this packaging. It's a bit fiddly to remove from here, which you have to press it from here to take it out. Comes in like that, and then eventually it comes out. Looks like this. These are the dimensions. It's not nano or anything like that. It's not super small, I have to say. So the thickness, not sure if might be a problem or not if you're trying to plug in other USB items on your PC, but let's see. Apologies about the cramped space, but I've got very little room behind my PC, so I'm just finding a USB slot just round about here. Right, you push it in. It's in. You can see blue light blinking, and here it is on the USB. You can see it's Windows has found the drivers for it, and I've got the Bluetooth logo on. It's looking good. So it seems to be working okay. I can see the Bluetooth is turned on, and I can already search for Bluetooth devices. I can see them. Let's try connecting a Bluetooth headset. Let's connect my Beats headphones. So I've turned on the pairing on the Beats, and let's search and add that in PC. Let's try the top. Okay, I can see it working already. It's already there. Seems to have now connected. Yeah, you can see it's connected to the Beats headset. Just gonna check now. Right, it seems to be connected, so let's have a look. Okay, it is playing it. Royalty free music, and it's changing the volume, and the sound seems quite loud and nice. It's not dropping out or having any weird issues. Seems to be rock solid. So there you have it. It's a fantastic Bluetooth 5.1 dongle, in my opinion. Very straightforward to install. You just plug it in. Windows finds the drivers, and you're off to actually using it. So yeah, I recommend it. It's good value for money. Thank you. Please subscribe and like my videos, and I will be posting some more recently, very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.